What is up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make rice water in the boiling method. I have never done the boiling method on my channel. I'm going to be doing it the way that I feel it would be best. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. This method is going to be great for those of you that are having issues with the fermenting method. Maybe you're leaving the rice ferment a little too long and it's smelling really bad. So if you don't want to have to deal with that, I'm gonna show you how to do it in the boiling method, so stay tuned. Okay, so I have a pot of water, and I'm going to bring it to a boil. So I'm going to turn it on and bring it to a boil. And I have some jasmine rice here. I'm going to go ahead and rinse it off. I'm going to be using 1/3 cup of rice because this is not rice water for my hair. This is rice water that I'm going to be using on my skin because I'm having like a really bad breakout. It's that time of the month, you know. So I'm going to wash this rice off. Okay, now that I have rinsed this rice off, it's nice and clean. So I'm going to figure out which pot I'm going to use to boil my rice. So I'm thinking I'm going to use this. So I'm going to put my rice in here. That way it's not directly boiling the rice. And then once the water comes to a boil, I'm going to be putting this in here. So I'm just going to be adding some water to this. 1 cup of water in the rice. So it's going to look like this. See? 1 cup of water. That's 1/3 cup of rice in there. Well, 1/4, my bad. It's 1/4 cup of rice in here with 1 cup of water. And I am going to, when the water comes to a boil, I'm going to just put that in here like so. I'm going to turn down the heat so it's on low, and then I'm just going to put this in here. The water is already hot, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put that in there. And then I'm going to cover it up and turn it down on low. And I'm going to let that boil for probably, let's say 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, boiling up nicely, as you can see. There's that steam in there, so it's not directly boiling it, but it's warming it up a little bit. Okay, I'm about to turn it off right now, so I'm just gonna show you guys how it's looking. This is how it's looking. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. See? It almost looks like how it does when it's fermented. You can see all the little white specks in there. And I mix it. So I'm just gonna let it sit in there until it cools off. So I'm just gonna cover it back and let it sit in there. Okay, so I got this much rice water from the double boiler, so I have the water in here. And this is the rice, and the rice is cooked. Like I could eat the rice, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to be eating the rice with some fish for lunch tomorrow. And I still got some rice water, and it doesn't smell stink. It's not fermented or anything. But I think it should work the same. I'm going to be using it on my face. So let's see. So I'm going to be, why my nose to be so shiny? Oh my gosh. So I'm going to be using the rice water on my face. As y'all can see, I got a really bad breakout. I think it's a combination of being a woman and eating chocolate. So I'm going to see if the rice water is going to be clearing it up, and I'll be going on vacation soon. So I want my face to be glowing, you know, in the sun, y'all. So I'm going to be applying the rice water on my face for the entire week. Oh gosh, my makeup coming off. I'm looking kind of rough, but it's okay though. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'm going to leave links down in the description for videos that I think that you might find helpful. So go ahead and check those out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.